Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share this lovely card with you. And the hashtag that I am using this for is hashtag spreadkindness57. And so Elise, who is Lacey46, asked if you're going to spread some kindness throughout the year to use that hashtag. And so I'm using that hashtag and tell him thank you. This is coming your way. All right. So this card I created, which is right here. Oh, I thought it was so pretty. Now, just to let you know, I had all these things cut out already, and they were just in my stash, just sitting. So I thought I would go ahead and just pull some of those items out, use them up, and then I added a background die and some paper with it. But anyways, let me show you what I used to create this card. So we have this die, Hope, which was in my stash. I have this honeybee stamp die there. Just purchased this. It was $3, really good buy. And I am also using this stamp set here from Cards TV. I'm using that God Bless You, and it's from Count Your Blessings. I am also using this stamp set here from Cards TV, and I'm using Thinking of You and Hoping You'll Feel Better Soon. So those are those items, but I got a few more. This is the paper set I'm using. It's from Honeybee Stamps, and I am using that strip right there. I think I used some of it in the inside of the card too. And then, of course, using my favorite die set from Elizabeth Craft. It's called Dashing Rectangles. And I am using this size here. And then this die here is from Water Garden Layering Die Set. And so I am only using this, and a couple of the leaves there. And I don't know where I got the other leaf set from. I couldn't find the die, so. But anyways, so there it goes. And these little gems that I'm using came from Paper Roses. There's a shaker mix. Really love that. And I thought it turned out really pretty. And then there goes the inside of the card there. Oops, and I didn't get that die there, but it's just like a word die that you can put in the inside. And I love doing this. I picked that up from Leanne K. That's her YouTube channel. I love the way she crafts. She's a Jaded Blossom designer. So anyway, so that is my card that I'm sharing for you today. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you think about it, and you all have a blessed and crafty day. Thanks so much.